And we're back with Cooking with Jess. Really, it's not cooking. All right. So today we're going to talk about Fonio. Before we talk about the Fonio, I just want to once again talk about my fashion accessory that we got going on here. I am in recovery mode. I am doing much better. I took a tumble down 9 stairs with the baby. The baby is good. Mama, not so much. The fashion accessory that I'm referring to, it's been doing good. You know, I realize when I don't, I'm turning so you can see how high it goes up. I don't know that I had the best posture. So I'm kind of excited about this because it is kind of like allowing me to sit up like this. And back in the day when I used to take bar, right? Bar class, BARRE. That's like the ballerina bar kind of class. Let me tell you something. Abs, toned legs, a posture, like listen, I was getting it. I really, really was. And now that's what this is reminding me of. But we got to wear this because I tried not wearing it and like just coming down the steps, walking down the steps regularly, and I noticed a difference. So we're not there yet, but we will be soon. We will be soon. Okay. Either way, we're gonna go back to Fonio. So Fonio, which to me just it reminds me of sand. It's the color. Can you see that? It's the color of sand. It just feels like the grainy kind of sand. Is there another kind? You know what I mean? It just looks like sand. I was reading up on it because I'm not even gonna lie. This is not something that I had in the arsenal. This was not on a playlist. This was not in regular rotation. However, learning about all the wonderful benefits that it has. Are you ready for this? I'm about to go down this list. Let's see how my memory works. We got fiber, we got magnesium, phosphorus, we have thiamine, which is a B1 vitamin, we have niacin, which is a B3 vitamin. We have, did I say zinc? Did I say magnesium? I can't remember, but you could play it back and you can see if I did or not. This thing is amazing. Also, I found out that it has an amino acid called methyl. I don't know why I be doing this to myself. Methionine. Methionine. And that is an amino acid that can help with building of cartilage for bones and nails. So lately my nails been on a little long side. I don't know why, but I welcome it. Okay. So we'll attribute some of that to this, but then also just because how I eat. And a lot of what I do eat is I listed here on this channel. I make a lot of different videos about the foods that I actually eat and the wonderful things that go into it. So previously, I used fonio in a recipe that I called mango sticky fonio. That was a play on mango sticky rice because you can actually use it to substitute rice. It has way more benefits, as I mentioned earlier, than rice. So why not? And it came out really good. I also have been trying, I have not actually recorded it yet, but I've been using or making a like an oatmeal kind of vibe in the morning, a breakfast cereal with this, and it's been really, really good. I love a oatmeal. I love a porridge. I love this type of stuff. It's just like a comforting thing for me. So to use this and add it as like a alternative to expand that kind of experience for me, love it. So that'll be a new one too. But I've also seen that there are like a whole bunch of recipes. As I said, I'm not really like familiar with it. I don't use it very often, so I'm still learning. There's a lot of people who are experienced with this, and I plan to be one of them. So we're going to be doing a whole lot of different recipes. If you would like for me to make some recipes for you about fonio or using fonio, let me know. Let me know what type of recipe so I can kind of get an idea of like where I need to research because as I said, it's fairly new for me. But I like it. I think it's great. It's fairly easy to come across. I found it in Whole Foods, Amazon. There's some other vendors that sell it online as well. So listen, if it's easy to access and it's great for you and it offers all them benefits, why not? Let's add that into our diet. so that we can have healthy skin and nails and all the phosphorus that we need, and magnesium and zinc. Magnesium and zinc are very important during pregnancy. So this is a wonderful thing to have in your, if you can do it daily, let's do it daily. If you can do it every other day, if you can do it weekly, let's just get it in your body because it's doing wonderful things for your body. So that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm all about. So let's try it out. Let's see what we come up with. Let me know what you think. That's very important to me as well because I do this for you. It's not just all about me and what I like to eat and what my family likes to eat, but give me some options so that I can provide that to you. All right, until next time, bye.